Stretching linen over wood is a kind of flirtation. The fabric resists at first, tight, stiff, but eventually gives in. Then come the tiny rebellions, threads that don't belong. I swipe them off with the back of my hand like crumbs after toast, because starting fresh means getting rid of the noise. This bin has all my brushes, mediums, the old reliables, the maybe later mistakes, and a broken 4-prong hanger I used once to hang my jeans. It broke. I kept it. That felt like a metaphor at the time. Today, it's an invention. And here's the soft chaos that occupies the art studio. And this is me not thinking that my 3-prong brush was a little bit hard to dip the paint in the small paint can. But I made it work. Just another day in the life of an artist problem solving. It looks absurd. It feels genius. And whoever said there wasn't an arm workout when creating art? The brushes didn't sit evenly. Nothing ever does when you first try it. The first pass in gray is a whole arm workout, painting like I'm rowing through color. Then I stop. Per usual, what artists do is stare at the canvas. I pulled off the tape, reconfigured. Blue painter's tape, always the unsung hero. And here we go back at it again. The second layer I painted green. This is where the drips start. And God, I love the drips. They're honest. Gravity's own little collaboration. The studio smells like gesso, wood, maybe a hint of coffee. As I walked outside and looked at the studio from the outside in, I had my coffee in hand, watching a leaf twitch in the sun like it's thinking. Artists work in solitude, sure. But we're never really alone. We're just out there, messing up hangers, chasing drips, and hoping the next layer tells us something the last one didn't. Just like art.